Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best Nectar Collector Tip is probably one of the most essential components for any concentrate enthusiast looking to elevate their dabbing experience, offering a direct and efficient way to vaporize your favorite waxes and oils with unparalleled flavor and smoothness, ensuring that every inhale is a pure and potent journey into the heart of your concentrates, making it an indispensable tool for connoisseurs who appreciate the finer nuances of their dabs. Number 5. Reusable Glass Filter Tips 10-pack. Introducing our premium reusable glass filter tips, designed for a superior experience. Crafted from high-quality glass, they offer durability and a clean aesthetic. Available in a variety of 9 vibrant colors, plus 2 clear ones, this pack includes 10 pieces in total. Each tip comes in its own portable plastic container, making them easy to take anywhere. Enjoy enhanced comfort with the ergonomic flat mouthpiece. This design promotes better airflow, ensuring a smooth and satisfying experience every time. Measuring 35 mm in length and 8 mm in width, these tips are perfectly sized for your convenience. Their compact dimensions make them ideal for on-the-go use. Make a conscious choice for the environment. By using these reusable tips, you help reduce the reliance on disposable plastic products, contributing to a greener planet. Cleaning is a breeze with these glass tips. Their simple design ensures that maintenance is quick and hassle-free, so they're always ready for your next use. What we like. These reusable glass tips offer a comfortable, flat mouthpiece for an ergonomic experience. They come individually packaged for easy portability. If you're looking for an eco-friendly and convenient option for daily use, these are a great choice. What people say. The 10mm Nectar Collector Tip is a game-changer for dabbing. Its efficient design ensures quick heat-up times and smooth vapor production. The durable glass construction feels solid and built to last. It's incredibly easy to use, even for beginners, and the 10mm joint fits perfectly with my existing rig. Cleaning is also a breeze, which is a huge plus. I was impressed by the quality of the 10mm Nectar Collector Tip. The borosilicate glass is thick and feels very robust. It heats up evenly and consistently, providing excellent flavor and big clouds. The portability of this setup is fantastic, making it ideal for on-the-go sessions. The included carb cap is a nice touch and works perfectly. This 10mm Nectar Collector Tip has exceeded my expectations. The airflow is superb, allowing for a smooth and satisfying draw every time. The tip itself is precision engineered, ensuring a perfect seal and no wasted product. It's a fantastic addition to my collection, and I appreciate the attention to detail in its design. Number 4. ALINK Skinny Clear Glass Straws, Pack of 8. Introducing our set of 8 skinny clear glass straws. They are designed for a comfortable and elegant way to enjoy your favorite beverages. With a 10.5-inch length and a slim 7mm diameter, these straws are ideal for your 30 ounces and 20-ounce tumblers, mason jars, and tall travel mugs. Crafted from durable, heavy glass, they are built to last. Enjoy your daily water, tea, or coffee with these reusable drinking straws. Made from food-grade, BPA-free glass, they offer a pleasant mouthfeel without any metallic aftertaste. Make an eco-conscious choice by ditching plastic. Each set comes with 2 cleaning brushes, making maintenance a breeze. They are also dishwasher-safe for your convenience. Enjoy a comfortable sipping experience thanks to the smooth, well-finished edges. They are perfect for both hot and cold drinks. What we like. These slim glass straws are perfect for your favorite tumblers and jars, coming with cleaning brushes for easy maintenance. They are durable and offer a pleasant mouthfeel without any metallic aftertaste. If you enjoy sipping on water, tea, or coffee from tall cups and want a stylish, reusable alternative, these are ideal. What people say. These glass straws have exceeded her expectations. They haven't chipped or broken at all. Glad they came with cleaning brush. Size is perfect for drinking smoothies, iced drinks. The straws themselves are remarkably strong for being glass, but if you drop your heavy tumbler full of coffee on the pavement because you had slippery gloves or whatever, then physics is going to do its thing and break your straw. I dropped them at home while doing dishes several times and they were fine, so it's just when you insist on it that they succumb to real-world pressures, like gravity and gravel. Glass straws don't interfere with flavor. These particular straws are a good length and diameter for use with my insulated cups. The set comes with a little brush for cleaning, although if you rinse the straws right after use and put them in the dishwasher, they come out sparkling clean, no scrubbing required. They don't break easily. Number 3. Sandblaster Ceramic Nozzles, 2-pack. Introducing a pack of 2 premium quality replacement ceramic nozzles. These are designed for sandblasting applications. Crafted from high-quality ceramics, they offer exceptional durability. They are resistant to high temperatures and friction for long-lasting performance. The general size is designed to be compatible with most equipment. Please check the provided image for detailed dimensions to ensure suitability for your needs. These are replacement tips only, perfect for maintaining your sandblasting equipment. Ensure they are the right fit before purchase. We offer a 30-day unconditional return and exchange service. If you have any questions, our professional customer service team is ready to assist you within 24 hours. What we like. These are premium ceramic replacement nozzles designed for durability and resistance to high temperatures and friction. They are suitable for most sandblasting equipment. If you need a long-lasting, high-performance replacement part for your sandblaster, this pack of 2 is a solid option. What people say. The 10mm Nectar Collector Tip is made of high-quality quartz, ensuring durability and excellent heat resistance. Its efficient design allows for quick and even heating, providing a smooth dabbing experience. The 10mm joint size fits perfectly with most standard Nectar Collector bodies, offering great compatibility. Number 2. Replacement 10mm Titanium Carving Tool, 2-pack. Introducing our premium 10mm titanium carving tool. Experience unparalleled precision and durability for your intricate projects. Crafted from high-quality titanium, these tools are designed for longevity. Tackle demanding tasks with confidence, knowing they're built to endure. The 10mm size offers optimal control for detailed work. Achieve clean lines and smooth finishes with ease. This pack includes 2 essential carving tools. Expand your creative potential and keep a spare on hand for uninterrupted workflow. Elevate your carving experience with these superior titanium tools. They are the perfect addition for any serious craftsman. What we like. This is a 2-pack of replacement carving tools made from durable titanium. They are designed for longevity and consistent performance. If you are in need of reliable replacement parts for your carving tools and prefer the durability of titanium, this set is a practical selection. What people say. Heavier gauge TI than the OEM one that came with my rig, larger bore, the mass holds heat much better than the OEM one did. Exactly what we wanted with a larger bore hole. They work great, they don't even clog. Number 1. OIIKI 9 PCS Plastic Joint Clip Set. Introducing our set of 9 plastic joint clips, designed to securely hold your lab glassware. They are essential for any laboratory setup. Crafted from high-quality polyacetal, these clips can withstand temperatures from -40°F to 212°F. You can rely on their durable plastic construction for consistent performance. This set includes a range of sizes from 10mm to 45mm, ensuring a perfect fit for your various laboratory needs. They are designed to meet all your demands. Use them to secure ground glass joints in various lab procedures like reflux, distillation, and sublimation. They are perfect for assembling your lab setups. Featuring a smooth surface, these clips won't scratch or corrode your glass. They effectively prevent joints from separating during experiments, keeping your setup safe. Each package contains a total of 9 plastic joint clips in assorted sizes and colors. You'll have everything you need for your laboratory work. What we like. This set includes plastic joint clips in a wide range of sizes, made from reliable material that tolerates a broad temperature range. They are designed to securely hold glassware joints, preventing separation. If you work with laboratory setups and need to ensure the stability of your glassware connections, this versatile set is highly recommended. What people say. The 10mm Nectar Collector Tip is made of high-quality quartz glass, ensuring durability and heat resistance. Its efficient design allows for quick and even heating, providing a smooth dabbing experience. The 10mm joint size ensures a secure fit with most Nectar Collector bodies, preventing any air leaks. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.